How to log in to Targo Bank online banking. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Search for Targo Bank Login. You need to select on the first button, that is Login Online Banking. As it is a German banking, you will have to translate the web page into English. Just select on the English button and wait for the web page to load. Now in here at the top, you should see a login portal or a login button. You can easily click on it to log in into your Targo Bank account. For this, just enter your username and your password. Select on Save My Username if you are using your personal device and tap on Log in Now. If you forgot your login credential, at the bottom you will see Forgot your login. You have to click on it. Now Targo will provide you with various of medium through which you can easily recover your account. Just select any and then follow the prompt given. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.